Happy because artists are venda, ne? I've seen a lot of things being dropped and the videos being dropping.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. And albums.
Oh, and we talk about music video. No one music video. This guy, what player? GR player featuring Mizo.
Yes.
Shit, man,
yes,
that thing is
yes,
dope.
Yes. Ojiwa pala midway
Kawash
pala near kwenda kapunda Maria pala ni.
Oh man, that shit is dope.
Yeah.
That shit is dope.
That shit is dope.
That is shit dope.
And in the Z films.
Man, that nigga is doing the most, and then but what's understand is already he doesn't even charge. I think charge chanda na munenje. Nigga, okay, ringa strong the prices, but that nigga is one of the most cheapest music video creators. Or he shoots music
video.
Nobody,
I don't normalize what she Mr. Z films.
Yeah. I don't go sharp. No.
And una skate as well. Skate as well is taking videos that are dope. But in Red Dixon doesn't want videos that do you skate, but it's Space World.
Yeah. It's not this guy.
So I don't think it's one right. I think it's
Space
this
guy.
World.
Okay, now HB Media.
HB Media as
There's
well.
This guy who does beats. The one who's dropping a lot of beats for these boys, almost everyone, man. That guy who don't have
Oh, okay. Android is also doing some dope videos as well, dope visuals. Yeah. So I don't know my life. So I should miss about.
And then one thing, if I do a review on a music video, you don't have to go and report me and trying to get me taken down or get my channel blocked. Dude,
publicity. Because it's all about publicity.
Yeah,
and
shit.
You sharing that thing doesn't cost you anything. Don't worry.
Simple as that.
Yes.
But you find niggas trying to take us down. We're getting reported. Like, fuck. Yo. This shit is...
The Alta Beast. The Alta Beast.
The Alta Beast. Oh, Batondy.
The Alta Beast. Yeah, Batondy.
Yeah, that album also, man, is fire, man.
Yes.
I'm loving that album. For the first time, I think Batondy the sound, the direction, and everything. Man, salute, you done some shit right there. I'm very proud of the Killer album. I'm hoping to see they'll drop maybe at least about 4 or 5 singles out of the album. I push it. As the music video, I'm looking at 4 or 5.
Yes. We need to get videos. TV.
Not the track I'm so feature Remzinayo.
Yes.
So sometimes we need to look at this different growth. Yes, Makhadzi is national. Mukosi or replacer the level. If you check, if we used to pay 10 grand to Makhadzi to perform, Makhadzi now is national. That 10 grand could be better. Mukosi, which means or replace Makhadzi in that level right now. Then level Mukosi Kai. We have Mukororo, we have Shaka.
Okay, so come on. What are you trying to say, Ndore? Makhadzi now is on the other level.
Come on, we all know, man. We worked with
number one album out there, Makhadzi, Kokova. So you know.
Man,